How to properly remove face recognition on Shopee. So first things first is of course open up or launch your Shopee application, and then here just simply log into your Shopee account. Now doing this method is just heading straight into the Me tab at the lower right portion of your screen. Now the top right hand, you should be able to see the gear icon. Just simply tap on that. In here, just go into privacy settings and then go into system settings. So at the very last portion of these options right here, you should see allow Shopee to access camera. All you have to do is just to turn it off or to disable it, and then go to settings. Scroll down and head over to app permissions, choose on camera, and from here just simply choose on don't allow. Go all the way back and you're good to go. That is it. That is how you properly remove face recognition in Shopee.